Bingo gripped the shiny silver rocket, her heart thumping like a drum. "Bluey, are you ready to see me fly?" she shouted with excitement, her tail wagging wildly. Bluey's jaw dropped. "You're really gonna blast off, Bingo?" The backyard suddenly felt like a launch site, filled with buzzing energy and wild imagination. The rocket, built from cardboard, paint, and endless creativity, gleamed under the sun. Bandit walked by, scratching his head. "Girls, is this safe?" he asked, half worried, half amused. Bingo laughed boldly. "It's totally safe, Dad. It's an adventure mission." Bluey clapped her paws. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. With a thunderous cheer, Bingo jumped inside. She pushed buttons that were really bottle caps and lights that were stickers. In her imagination, though, everything blinked and beeped like real space controls. Flames roared, smoke filled the sky, and the rocket shook. "I'm flying!" Bingo yelled, her voice echoing like a true astronaut. Bluey looked up, shading her eyes. "Bingo, look out for the stars!" she shouted. Bingo zipped past glowing planets made of tennis balls, swooshed around comets that looked suspiciously like Mum's socks, and dodged meteors crashing fast. Her eyes sparkled. "This is the greatest journey ever!" Suddenly, alert! A space alarm blared in her mind. "Danger ahead! Alien donuts approaching!" Bingo gasped as round, jelly-filled aliens floated closer. She bravely spun her rocket in loops, dodging sugar sprinkles raining down. Bluey laughed from below, cheering. "Go, Bingo! Save the galaxy!" Bingo pressed her biggest button. Super booster power, activate! The rocket shot faster than ever, zooming past the alien donuts until they vanished. "Mission accomplished!" Bingo shouted proudly. She steered back to Earth, landing perfectly on the grass. The backyard shook as she jumped out, striking a victory pose. Bluey ran to hug her. "That was incredible!" Mum smiled from the porch. "Looks like our astronaut made it home safe." Bingo held her paws high. "Space is awesome, but adventures with my family are even better." And hey, if you loved blasting through galaxies with Bingo today, imagine what's coming next. Stick around. Our next journey will take you even higher.